Welcome back to Pace Law Firm, pacelawfirm.com, talking with immigration lawyer Andy Semotiuk, U.S. and Canadian immigration. But today, we're concentrating on U.S. immigration, U.S. reform.
Right.
What's going on?
Well, President Obama earlier this year announced some reforms that were coming through, including two reforms that I specifically would like to touch on today, which is the DACA and the DAPA reforms,
Okay.
those two, which have to do with people who have been in the United States illegally for over 5 years. And the essence of those reforms are that such individuals, people who have been in the United States for over 5 years illegally, but who have a child that was born in the United States, or some child that was married, let's say, and therefore got permanent residence or citizenship, those parents would be eligible to apply for a work permit and relief from removal. That's the DAPA part.
Right.
Deferred action for parent arrivals.
Right.
The DACA part is anybody who was under 16 at the time of their arrival and has been in the United States for 5 years or more would be eligible for a work permit and relief from removal for a period of 3 years as well. Our big challenge at the moment is that a Texas district court judge has issued an injunction to block President Obama's reform, this one I'm talking about, these reforms,
Right.
for a while. And the government is trying to appeal that decision about the injunction. They went back to that judge saying, on an emergency basis, while we're appealing, lift your injunction. He said, no way, I'm not lifting it.
Right.
So it's now going to the appeals court. So unfortunately, the programs are being delayed a bit. But the general opinion among immigration lawyers, law professors, constitutional lawyers, and so on, the government, is that eventually they're just not going to be able to block this thing. It's going to go through.
Okay.
It's a matter of timing. They're going to have a mass of people applying. They project something around 4 million people applying. Now, resources in the immigration, U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Service at the moment are strained. Imagine 4 million more applications. Now, they're going to hire, I think it's 1,000 people, but divide 4 million by 1,000 and you have an idea of how the strain might develop
Right.
once the program opens. So it's better to be at the front of the program than to be at the back of the program.
Yeah, you don't want to be rushing to collect your documents
Right.
on the first day that it opens up.
Right.
What else you got? Anything else?
No, that's basically it. I wanted to share that. If people want to contact me about it, they can arrange a consultation. I'm also open to coming to community groups or churches to talk to a group of people who might qualify under this program. Anything to do with immigration, I'd be delighted to come and visit your community, wherever it might be, if I'm invited as a speaker to talk on this subject.
Nice.
So either way, either contact me on my website at myworkvisa.com for a consultation, or perhaps consider inviting me to speak.
Individuals give you a call. Groups, invite them on down.
Right.
And come and speak.
Right.
All right. Thanks a lot, Andy, and we'll talk to you next time. Everyone else, pacelawfirm.com, more information, and myworkvisa.com as well. Bye-bye.